What's the meaning of burglar alarm? Burglar alarm. Burglar alarm.
Burglar alarm. Burglar alarm. A burglar alarm is a security device designed to detect unauthorized entry into a building or area. The alarm system typically includes sensors that are placed on doors and windows, as well as motion detectors that can detect movement within the protected area. Once a breach is detected, the system triggers an alarm, usually a loud siren or strobe light, to alert occupants of the building and to deter the intruder. Burglar alarms are commonly used in residential and commercial buildings to provide protection against theft and burglary.